Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is NAKAE. In our previous video, that's basic commands in Linus, we learn a lot about the locate command, the whereas, and the which. We use these three commands to locate files on our Linus environment. Today, we are going to look at another powerful command that we can use to find stuffs using the terminal. The command we are going to use today is called find. F-I-N-D, normal find. This command is powerful when it comes to searching for files on our Linux machine. It also shows up the user, the group, the permissions, and the size of the file like the fetch command. Let's not waste time. Let's open our terminal. Find. So we have some possible commands that we can attach to the find to get the result that we want. If I want to search for a file with the name, let's say pt2, how will I search for that file? Let's see how it will be done. Find, then our file type. Which type of file are we looking for? We are looking for a file, so a file short is F. So write type of file, then dash name, or the name of the file. The name of the file is Apache2. Apache2. So let's see the result we get. It says permission denied. Alright, some files are loading. Okay, so looking at the results, you can see that we have so many different directories where the Apache2 file can be found. So this one started from the top of the file system, then it went through other directories and looked for where the Apache2 keyword can be found. So this is how we can use the find command. So we can see it started with the our find command. Then where do we want to start from? We want to start from the first file system, or the root, the top file system. Which type? What type of file are we looking at? Is file, the F for file. Then what the name of the file? And the name is Apache2. So this is how the find works. This is a long process. What if you want to find a file inside one directory? Let's use etc directory. So write, our find is already there, so write /etc, then the type of file we are looking at, so F for file, then name. Okay, so as we can see the results, there's a difference between the first one that we run. Say this one go through every directory to find the word Apache, but with the second command that we run, it shows only the /etc directory files that contain the keyword Apache. So this is the difference between the first command and the second one. The first one shows every directory where we can find Apache2. The second one will specify the location where we want to find the file, name Apache. So this is how it works. As we can see, this one find it much quicker than the first one. One thing we have also noticed is that it finds the exact match of the name Apache 2. Apache 2 doesn't bring Apache 3 or any other name. It brings out the exact name of Apache. Not even Apache 2 dots, a file extension. What if there is other files in the /etc folder that have the same keyword Apache 2, but they have extensions attached to them? How will we know, or how will we find it? That brings us to our wildcards. When we say wildcards, they are the asterisk, comma, we have the question mark, square bracket. So these are all wildcards. We are going to take them one by one and use them and see if we can use the find command attached to these wildcards. Let's first take the asterisk sign. We write our command. So instead of just Apache to bring dot asterisk, let's see if you get a file. Okay, so you can see now we have only one file, dot conf. Means there is only one file in that directory with an extension. So the asterisk means we don't know what is there. So any possible word there will show up, whether it's .imp, .conf, .se, anything will show up here. This is an example of how we can use wildcards. Let's try another example. Let me create directories mkdir. Okay, so let's use this example. So ls. So now we have the bat, the cards, hearts, want, and hot. Find any word that comes before it automatically shows up. What if you want the one with either C or H? And we can see that it shows only 2 words. So it takes the words in the square bracket and add it to the word outside the square bracket. So we have only 2 here. One will ask, why did the hot not shows up? You can see there is no WH in the square bracket. So note this, it brings exact match of the word that we are finding. What if we use the question mark? We'll write our command again. Instead of this, we bring question mark AT. Note that the question mark stands for only one letter. Asterisk can be any, whether 2 words, 2 letters, 4 letters, 5 letters, 6 letters, all will shows up here. The question mark means only one letter is missing. Find this, then H. You can see only the hot shows up, so the question mark stands for only one letter. Okay, so this is how the wildcards work. So we know how the asterisk works, how the square bracket works, how the comma 2 works. So the question mark wildcard is used to represent a single character. So as you can see, when we search for the question mark 80, it brings only characters that have one letter missing from 80. And the square bracket wildcard is also used to match the characters that appear inside the square bracket. Yeah, we have already done that. Then the asterisk wildcard shows any character or letter that matches with the one that we have. It matches any character of any length, unlimited number, when we use it with the find. So we have to know the difference between these wildcards. This is where we end our today's lesson.